Have you ever thought what it's like to cut a mushroom? When you cut the mushroom straight through, no matter what you do after, once you make that second cut, you're only cutting half of a half. Unless you go and put two on top of each other and make another slice. But in reality, you've cut two, and now your second cut will create a total of three. One side with one half, and then 1/4 the other two sides. So I can take this one and put this one back with this one and say this one is 3/4. Let's say this would be the jaw, the one that moves. I always need one that moves. And then what would this one be? Right? This one is towards the three areas. So this one goes towards the two areas on each side, and it becomes a replica of what's on the other side. Right? Inside of here that hasn't been divided. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's how, maybe it can be our brain, how it comes together, but if you understand the mathematics of this simple little piece here, which was once whole, which got split in two, and two got split into two. So this 2 equals to 1/4, and this one equals to 1/2. So this is this 1, 1, 2? Where do we get a, so this would be a 5, right? Because half is 5. And this is 25s, 2/4. This is 2/4 for a half, and this is 1/5. So this one would be Mars, and this one would be the quarters of Earth. Don't forget, the planet, you're made of two things, communication and the planet. The A and the, you need to be made by both sides of nature, and then the one spirit to go inside to bring life onto this side by bringing the birth. There is no life. And is there a life? And what is the life? And what is birth? Is it the physical? For the human who receives the birth, it is the physical birth. Because the child is a what? It's just a beautiful item. It's just like incredible what happens, but in reality, you see it in the trees every single day and in the flowers every single day. And you can understand their disappearance, but until they're your flowers, until they're earmarked with you, with your understanding, right? It's like a pet. You understand? It's a communication that when you communicate with something and you don't know where it's gone to. Cat goes to sleep for 10 hours. Yeah, right. Cat's probably in the other world somewhere. But anyways, doing some mushrooms. When the mushrooms are bigger, I cut them up more different. But wait for this. I want to show you something. This box. When I open it like this, okay, understand where the diamonds are. I open the box. This is going to be opening the box squarely to me. But when the box is not squarely to me, you see what happens? Look at the angle, and then it becomes, here's the box square, and then here's the box folded. You see from what side it came from? Now, if I did it the other way, hold on a second. I'm not sure if I can fold it the other way. Yeah, see, I can fold, but right now I'm doing it this way because so look what happens now with these boxes. There's two of them. One is on the left, one is on the right when I put this in the center. But this box shows me it's a split center. You see that here? Seeing the split is showing me on this side and on this side. So here's my 8 this way. So anyways, forget about that. This is your 12. Okay, this is your complete 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. Where the top 2 levels on the top are identical and the 2 levels in the middle are identical. They both have zeros, the other ones are both empty. The first one, here is 2. 2, look, 2, 5, from 5 into 8, and 8 into 2. 2 to 5 to 8, that is the matrix, 5 and 8. And then from 8 back into 2, the cycle, 5, 8, and 2. So starting at the top, I'll question it. Is it a possibility that this is the center of a roulette, and this is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, telling me that this area over here is number 8. This area over here is number 2. So we're running in a cycle of 2 and 8. And you see the way it creates a 3 on this side and a 3 on this side? 3, 8, 3. 24 and 11. 3 times 8. Anyways, I'm not going to get into that. Maybe a little bit later. I'm going to upload this. Thank you for watching. All from a mushroom and a thought.